probably dinner time.
Get it, Bella.
Trying to get that noodle in her mouth. Trying to get that noodle.
Oh no. Get it.
Oh. Trying to get the noodle?
Oh no.
Just get it in your mouth.
You got it.
Oh.
Want some help? Yay! Whoa!
I'll figure out how to just slam it.
Look at Daddy. Look at Daddy.
Oh, I got it. Oh, I got it. Get it in there, bonkies.
Just shove it all in.
Just shove it in there.
Oh no, where'd it go? It's on here. Here, eat it. Get it, get it.
She's gonna chew it while it's in her hand. I love you, Bonky.